Now in this Davos, we are all talking about energy transition, how it is happening. I brought power sector reforms in 1991. At that time, we had a power problem continuously. Today, I came here, not only green energy strength, one company, Greenco, 6 years back I gave permission for solar, wind and pumped storage. Now this is the first unit in India, in the world, entire world, one premises, total green energy. Now recently we laid the foundation for 1.5 metric ton capacity green ammonia. Our Honorable Prime Minister has had a MOU with German Chancellor for supply also. Nowhere in the world largest green ammonia plant is located in India, is located in Andhra Pradesh, in Kakinada. That is our strength. Everybody is talking, we are proving with proof of concept. This is one example I will give you. Now everybody is depending on India on data centers. First time, because of green energy and also cost-effective energy. If you compare other countries, they are having energy problems, but India is blessed with sunlight.